New sneaker unboxing from Goat. You already know, man. Pick these up for under retail. When these first dropped, retail was $220. You can basically get these for under retail right now. Because not a lot of people are into Diadoras. That packaging, as always, from Goat. This one actually took like about a week, pretty quick for them. Goat packaging. Let's take this shit out. Bait Diadora collaboration. DreamWorks. Felix the cat. Really nice touch to the box. See that Felix, the cat on there. So N9000, color is black, US size 7. Pick these up for under retail for half the price. Authenticity card. Boom boom. Comes with rope, white laces with the black aglets. Felix the cat. See the paper, Diadora. Oh, these are nice. Black and white shoe, handcrafted in Italy. Craftsmanship is perfect on these. Check it out. That suede. Check out that toe box. See the leather. N9000. Black and white speckling. Just a black and white shoe, but really high quality. The bottoms all black, all leather insole. I usually go full size down. Bait and Felix the cat on the insole. Has these wax rope laces. Really clean shoe. Here's the hang tag. Bait, Felix the cat. Has this picture right there. Past when they dropped for $220, I was like, nah, I ain't gonna pay that. I knew these were gonna probably gonna be on discount, and found these on Goat for about $120. I'm happy about them. Quality is amazing. Made in Italy, everything. That leather quality, you see that tumble leather. Has a really nice suede as well. Newest pickup from Goat app. Got some new pickups coming in next week. Stay tuned for that. Got some crazy heat. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Shout out to all my Diadora heads. I'm out. Peace.